Want to make a stylish design like this? I'll guide you through every step in Photoshop. Let's start. Set foreground color to black. Press Alt and Backspace to fill. Add a new layer. Set foreground to white. Select Brush tool and paint like this. Reduce opacity to 30%. Add a guideline like this. Select Rectangular tool. Set style to fixed ratio, 1:1. Draw a square like this. Add a new layer. And fill this with black. Press Ctrl and T, rotate like this. Hit Enter. Drag down to shape it like this. Press Ctrl and J to copy. Drag the copy up like this. Add a new layer. Select the rectangular tool. And draw like this. Fill with black. Place this layer between the two. Select both shape layers. Right-click. And merge. Add a new layer above the merged one. Right-click. And choose Create Clipping Mask. Remember, clipping mask affects only the layer below. Keep foreground white. Brush like this. Set opacity to 30%. Add another new layer. Repeat the brushing. Set opacity to 30% again. Add one more layer on top. Create a clipping mask. Brush with white like this. Opacity to 30%. Add another new layer. Use pen tool to draw like this. Fill with white. Change blend mode to soft light. Group all layers. Name the group bottom. Press Ctrl and J to copy the group. Name the copy top. Drag down the bottom group. Press Ctrl and T to transform the group. Use the down arrow key to move it down. Align it properly. Hold Alt and drag outward like this. Add a new layer between the two groups. This layer is for shadow. Right-click and choose Make Selection. Fill this with black. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur value as needed. Click OK. Add a new layer. Draw a shape like this. Fill with black, Control and Backspace. Add another layer above it. Create a clipping mask. Use white foreground and paint like this. Set opacity to 30%. Add a new layer above the top group. Draw again like this. Fill with black. Add a new layer above it. Create a clipping mask. Paint with white again. Set opacity to 30%. Add a new layer above all layers. Create a clipping mask. Use pen tool to draw a shape. Fill with white. Change blend mode to soft light. Select all related layers. Group them. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate the group. Press Ctrl and T to transform the new group. Move it like this. Select both groups and duplicate again. Select the new two groups. Right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. Drag them to the right. Now, let's add the subject. Drag and drop the image. Press Ctrl and T to select it. Adjust the size. Now, let's add a shadow to the subject. Add a new layer below the subject. Click once with black color. Press Ctrl and T to transform. Adjust the shape like this. Make a copy of the shadow. Position it for the second one. Select these layers and resize them if needed. That's all. Please subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell icon for more everyday updates. Thanks for watching.